Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be filming this look right here for you guys. It's so pretty. It's perfect for fall. It's such a gorgeous look for this time of the year. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe right before you leave. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. I missed you guys so much. You guys probably just watched my vlog. It's such a cute little vlog. Link to the vlog that I just posted down below if you guys have not checked it out. If you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So this will be my first time actually trying out the palette, and I'm also going to be trying out other products like the setting spray that is the all-nighter spray, but it smells like cherries, so I'm super excited to try this one out. And I will also be trying out this palette, which is the Decay Naked Cherry Highlight and Blush Palette. So it does contain one blush and two different highlighters. This one seems like it has more of a gold undertone to it, and this one has more of a pink undertone. I'm going to moisturize my skin with the Sekkessei Herbal Gel Moisturizer. It really hydrates the skin. This is perfect if you have dry, sensitive skin. So I'm just going to go in and start massaging the moisturizer to my skin. And I love adding this moisturizer underneath my eyes because it really hydrates and it makes everything go on smoother. So while that moisturizer is soaking into my skin, I'm going to go in and start on my eyebrows. I normally start with my face now, but I used to always do my brows first. And this is the way I do my clients' makeup. I'll moisturize their skin and prep it, and then I'll go in with the brows and the eyeshadow. So I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tip Concealer to carve out the bottom part of my brow. I do need to purchase a lighter shade because this concealer was my summer shade and I haven't gone in to buy a lighter shade just because this one's too close to my skin tone, and I always like my concealers to be at least a shade or two lighter. And dragging it down my lid to serve as my shadow base. And I'm just using my Sigma E58 cream color brush. So I'm going to take the brush that comes in the palette. It's super cute. It has a nice fluffy blending side, and this side is very tiny. It could serve as like an inner corner brush. It's so small. But I'm going to be taking the blending side of the brush. So I'm going to take the shade Hot Spot, which is the lightest matte color in the palette, and I'm going to set my concealer. Next I'm going to take this color right here, and it's a matte mauve. It's like a light mauve color, which is going to work as my transition color, and it's called Feels. So I'm just applying to the outer corner and just blending inward onto my crease. And I really like how this eyeshadow blends. It's not patchy or dry at all, so that's a great thing. And with this brush, it feels very nice. This palette is beautiful. I'm just going to deepen up my crease a little bit more, just adding more of that color. So now that I have that color on my lids, I'm going to take this color, and this is in the shade Double-ish. It's a darker mauve color, more of a purple. This is more like of a berry color, and it's still a matte shade. Next, I'm going to take the darkest shade in the palette, which is called Privacy, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corners of my eye. And I'm blending it on the outer corners and then brushing it up to my crease. So now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and blend out any harsh lines. So for my lid, I'm going to take the color Ambitious, which is this beautiful color right here, and I'm just going to pop that all over my lid with my finger. So this right here is a different texture. It's the shimmer shade, and it's going on really good over my lids with my fingers. So I'm going to go back with the shade Privacy and apply a little bit more to the outer corners. So now I'm going to prime my face with this CoverGirl Smoothing Primer, and this is the purple one. Now I'll be taking my foundation. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear in shade Tawny. So I'm going to set my under eye area with the RCMA No Color Powder. Apply it right underneath my eyes and bring it down a little bit. And it just instantly mattifies your concealer and everything, but I'm not going to set my whole face with this powder. I am going to apply it to my smile lines, and I get like lines on my lip. So I'm going to take this all-nighter waterproof setting powder. You guys, this stuff is really good. This is what it looks like. It's a translucent powder. I just grabbed my Sigma brush. So I'm just taking my Sigma brush and I'm going to set my whole face with this powder. And it's matte. Look, you can see some shine right there. Just pat it and it mattifies it. I'm going to take this eyeliner brush by Mikasa Beauty in number E110. And I'm going to take my e.l.f. gel liner and just create a wing. I look so pale right now because I have like no bronzer or anything. So I'm taking my lashes. I already put glue on them. And I'm just going to pop these suckers on. So guys, I'm going to be featured on The Real. It comes on Fox on the East Coast. Thursday, October 18th at 12, I believe. And I'm literally like showing you guys how I apply my eyelashes. So that's very exciting. So I put my lashes on. I'm like, hello. It looks so beautiful. Like once I have lashes on, I'm just like, yes, 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 and yes. They're on there now. While they're drying, let me just push them a little bit. I always like to push them in. So I'm going to go in with my Becca Capri Coast bronzer. I know, I still use this thing. Becca, I need more. This bronzer is just so good. I don't know why. Like, seriously, I'm going in. But I'm taking this Kat Von D double-ended brush. And I'm taking the angled side. And I'm just carving out my cheeks. I actually bought this brush. I use it a lot in my videos. I bought it at Marshall's, I think, or TJ Maxx. And that's where I got my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette as well. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a makeup hunt for TJ Maxx and Marshalls, because they be selling some really good makeup there, you know? And I'm always there. I never go to the makeup section. Like, what's wrong with me? I always go to like the home section. Or like the kids section. It's so stinking cute. It has cherries everywhere. Like, how adorable. And I'm just patting it in. This will make my blush last longer. And my contour. So I'm just basically sealing in my blush and my contour with this powder. To use this part of the highlighter, it's more of a gold tone. It has like a golden undertone, and this one is more like of a pinky. So I'm gonna take the lighter part of the highlighter and take the smaller end of the brush because it has like these pretty like pink specks in it. To apply my highlight, I'm gonna test out this Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray, which has a cherry scent. I've never tried this out, so it's gonna be the first time trying it out. and this is the smaller size. I don't know if they have a bigger one, but this is the size that I'm trying today. Look how cute this is for traveling. It has a top and then another top, and then let's see how it sprays. And it smells like cherries. All right, let's try this out. I'm just applying this so I can apply my highlight so it doesn't look too chalky. So give it a little good shake. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, it smells really nice and it feels so good on the skin. So I'm gonna take this golden side with my Real Techniques brush. First time trying this out, so let's see how it goes. You guys know I love highlight. Not bad. Could you guys see that? I know you guys can. It's pretty nice. Wow. You guys, that's a nice highlight. Yep, I approve. This is a really nice palette. Put some on my nose. The highlight is really nice. Look at it. It's definitely buildable. The shade is pretty. And I'm going to use it as my inner corner highlight. Wow, yes. This is a beautiful inner corner highlight. This inner corner highlight is gorgeous for this look because it's kind of pink. So I'm going to apply this eyeliner, which is similar to the eyeshadow color. This is called Love Drug, and their 24/7 glide on eye pencils are the best eyeliners I've ever tried. They literally just glide on and last a long time. So I'm just applying that to my waterline, and then I'm going to smudge some eyeshadow on the bottom to make it more smoky. Look at the difference. Really, I'm gonna go back in with the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to just clean off the smaller end of the brush because that's what I'm going to use to smoke out the bottom. So I'm going to take Devilish, which was the color that we applied to our crease, and I'm just going to smudge that underneath my eyes and blend. So for lips, I could do a purplish color too, but I'm going to do this kind of nude color. It's also by the Cherry collection, nudish color, but it does have some shimmer in it, but it's so cute. I really want to try this out. I don't know if you guys can see it. It gives the illusion of like a very glossy lip. You guys, this is a really pretty lip. I would actually purchase this color. If I ran out of it, I would buy it again because it's super cute. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara. This is by Kiko Milano. Just applying a little bit to my upper lashes, and then of course this mascara makes my lower lashes look super long. So once you put the mascara on, it's like the cherry on top. It just makes it look pretty. Your eyelashes look pretty. So last but not least, I'm gonna go back in with this because I love it so much. Just set my face. What do you think of it? Let me know if you guys like it. Let me know if you guys have this palette. It's gorgeous. I'm so excited that I got it. So thank you to Urban Decay for sending me these goodies. I love them all. When I got in the mail, I was like, oh my god, did I get the cherry? Because it was a big box and it didn't say what it was from. So when I opened it, if you guys follow me on Instagram, my dog was like so excited because it was such a big box, and he was just like in there trying to see what it was. But yeah, this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved everything that I tried. That spray smells so good. I can still smell it in the air. It smells like cherries and my mouth is watery. I wish I had like some cherry juice or something right now. But I just want to say thank you to Urban Decay for these products. They were amazing. I only like to show you guys things that I truly love, and I really wanted to show you guys like a first impression on these products. Fell in love with everything. Everything is amazing. But if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also give me a thumbs up you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.